Hello there, hope you are doing good. I just thought of making a video about a car wash shampoo. Initially I was thinking of buying the 3M one, but then I thought let me see other options. So I came down to another option which is not very usual because every time people go for the 3M one, right? So I checked in the Amazon and I found something really interesting. So I went to their website and searched it, and I found that this has come from US recently and it has been launched to India. So don't think like just because it's from US it's great. No. I have seen the videos, I have seen the reviews of this in the YouTube, and I found that this is really great. This is on the slightly costlier side, but trust me, this is really good. I cannot really compare with 3M because both are great, but you can try this one. Let's see. So yes, this is the brand which I was talking about, Turtle. So as you can see, this is a 1 liter bottle, and the color of the shampoo is yellow color. This is kind of a very watery. This is not very thick, and the smell. Yeah, I should mention this. So initially, I watched one YouTube video where the guy was talking about the smell, and trust me, this is excellent. And now, though the smell doesn't matter, now if you add it to the water, it doesn't really become thick or something. I don't know whether that really matters, but it actually does the job. Alright, so let me tell you how to prepare the solution. So basically you need 60 ml of this shampoo and you need to add it to 3 liters of water. So that is how you can make the solution. Alright, so you need to remember one thing. Before applying this solution, what you need a duster to clean the car. And after that you apply this solution. And just remember that you have to pour it on top of your car first. Remember the gravity? So basically what I was trying to say is you need to apply the solution on the upper portion of the car first. So the water will be flowing downwards, and then after that slowly you come down and then clean the lower portion of the car because most of the soil will be there. Now coming to the effectiveness of this solution. So does it do any miracle? No, it does not. So it is like any other shampoo, but what it does, it actually shines your car, and most importantly, it does not leave any water spots, which is very important, I feel. Okay, so once you are happy with the application of this solution on your car, just wait for a few minutes and then rinse it with a clean water. So you can use some kind of sprayer to rinse the water and then use a microfiber cloth to dry it. I have applied this shampoo only few times. I need to check in long run how it works. But recently when the car was really dirty, I expected some kind of miracle, and it does that. So I don't know about other shampoo because I have not used it, but I can talk about this. This is really helpful. So that's it guys for this video. I'll be making videos about other accessories as well in the upcoming videos. So basically I'm trying to make a series out of it. Thank you for watching.